Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session now, I want to give a clear introduction of COM command. It is one of the filter command. Already we have seen in the introduction part of the COM command. So what is the purpose of this COM command now? We are going to see. Actually, the COM command is used to compare two sorted files. Okay. So line by line they can compare, column by column they can compare. Okay. So it is used to compare two sorted files. Two sorted files comparison also line by line and call by call, means column by column. The comparison also can be done by line and as well as the column by column. And one more thing here that we have to see here in this call command is we have to remember before applying this COM command, the files whatever we are working on this COM command is those two files must be sorted. We have to remember this while working with this COM command. Files must be sorted. This is the first rule. And the second rule to be remembered is whatever data, whatever lines that are contained in the COM command must be unique. The lines must be unique or the data must be unique. So unique lines, unique means there is no repetition of each and every line. Whatever line you have typed in that particular file, that must be only once. It should not be repeated. Okay. So unique lines or text must be maintained. This is called rule number 2. Like that, you have to remember these two basic rules in the COM command while working with the COM command. Now we see what is the usage of this COM command, how we can work this COM command at the dollar prompt. So is it clear now? So it is used to compare two sorted files and line by line, column by column comparison, and the files must be priorly sorted and unique lines must be maintained in the COM command. So these two rules we have to blindly remember while working with the COM command. Okay. And now, what is the usage of this COM command at the dollar prompt? At the dollar prompt, we have COM F1, F2. Means two files must be sorted line by line, column by column. Here some options are also there. COM -1, F1, F2. -1 represents the first column of the file 1. Okay. The first call of F1. So what is the use of this using -1 option is to suppress that particular column. The number of the column whatever it is given, it suppresses the column and works on the remaining columns. Suppose I have given COM -2 F1 F2 suppresses column 2. And COM -3 F1 F2 suppresses column 3. Like that it suppresses various number of the columns according to the number given. Okay. So this is the usage of the COM command. Based on this we will work this COM command. So two rules must be remembered while working with the COM command, that is the files must be priorly sorted and as well as the lines in the files must be uniquely maintained. Okay. So this is about the COM command. In the next video we will meet with another command like CMP is there, diff is there, like that multiple number of the filter commands are there. So we will talk about those commands. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.